Stefan here, and then we'll paste the admission number. You can see the admission number. Let me show you. So this is the admission number. So you just hit, and then we'll log in into Stefan's account. Now, when you log into Stefan's account, all right, guys. So welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive into a report card application or web-based system that I've created for basic schools to ease their report card generation. Okay, so it helps them to just run things quickly. So let's dive into the interface. So this is basically the home page. When you come and you see, I think it's looking quite good. You can see this animation here is looking great. Now let's look at the features. We have performance tracking, report card generation, and multi-user access. It means that we have separate portals which we have administrator, teacher, and student. And again, it's mobile friendly, okay, which is responsive to other devices. Okay, so you can read more thing about the system, and then the footer here. I think the interface is looking good. So let's dive into the administration or admin dashboard and see what the admin can do. So here, let's select administrator as row, and then we say we are putting in the login details. All right, so we have logged into the admin side, right? So let's explore the admin side. First of all, you see the dashboard admin here, and it will display the current date that you have, which is Monday. Today is Monday, May 2025, as I'm recording this. And again, we have total student of 2 currently, teachers 2, classes 4, and then subject 5, right? Now here we display current activities. Now quick actions are here. And currently we are in what? Term 2. Okay, we are dealing with term 2. Now let's go to the settings site and see what we have here. Now with the setting, we'll be able to actually update the admin account details, maybe the password you want to change to new password, we do that. Okay. And again, we can here select the term. So currently we are running term 2. If we are moving to term 3, we can just select term 3, and that's term 3 over there. So I can update this so that I know we are in term 3, right? So currently it's working. So when you go back there, you see that it will be in term 3. Let's come to the down. Here is the report card. Okay, the header and then the footer of the report card that we are going to generate, which includes the school name, the school address, the phone number, probably email, then the color we are using for the design, and then the footer here to here you can change. So here we can change everything here. Okay, you can change the school name, type your own school name, and then everything will appear at um, the PDF or the report card that you are going to generate. All right. So let's get back to student. Right. Now, so these are currently we have 2 students. Now every student have admission number. Okay. So first of all, we have Madam Doris here is having admission number. Madam Sefa is having admission number. Madam Doris, basic 7, Sefa to basic 7. They are all in the same basic, the same class, and then we have their parent contact, and then we have their date of birth differently. We can come here and then we'll edit them, right? So but currently let's just leave it. I don't want the tutorial to be long. You can again come here and then you add a new student, right? When you add new student here, you select the class for the student. Let me try one for you. So apparently let me just say um admission number. Hold. Currently, I just don't want this thing to be long, so let me just leave it. Let me go to the class for you to see class. Now, these are the classes we have: basic 1, basic 6 to basic 7, or basic 9, sorry. So we have session, we can B or A, any of them that you have. And the capacity for a class is 40. You can change it to the class that you want. Now here we have 2 students out of 40. That's basic 7. And other class we don't have anyone yet. Now the teachers too, we have assigned one teacher to basic 7 and assign one teacher to basic 8. Right, the rest don't have teachers yet. And again, if you want to add teachers, this is it. If you want to add classes, this is the class name. Okay, using form 1, grade 6 or what. The session, is it A or B? You can choose the year. This one you can remove the capacity. You can reduce it to maybe 30 students in a class. All right. Now let's get back to the subject aspect. So these are the subject that we have. Their code is here, the name is here. So again, the pass mark is 40. You can change that if you want. The full mark is 100. Then we have one teacher for computing, one teacher for social studies. Yes. Okay, fine. Now let me go back to the teacher side and then you see something. Um, so now with the teachers, yeah, we have Anthony Ennis and then we have um yes, Joseph Apomoku here. When they are all having one subject. So let's say I want to add uh, another subject to Joseph Apomoku. Here I'll just come to assign and then I'll assign here with English. Let me assign another more. Let me assign probably um let me say science. Let me add another so maybe it will be cool. So here I'm adding um mathematics this time around. So let me select the classes basic 7. Yes, all these things for basic 7. I want the teacher to work for basic 7 again. So I'll just hit update and then boom, we have. So currently uh Joseph Afimoku is having what, 4 subjects as you can see over here. Okay, the classes are 1. All right, so here let's come back to report. So here you'll be able to generate uh bulk report for a particular class for a term. So here you select the class, let's say like basic 7B, and then you select the term that you want to generate. So you click on generate, and then it will generate the report card for that particular class, all of them in one. And then you hit download, then you have it. But since now we don't have anyone yet, let's just not do that. Because you have instructions here that says that we should make sure things are there before we go. So now let's get back to the teacher side, right? So let me open another browser. Um, Let me open another browser. Okay, so right, this is it. So let's log in a teacher to see their details. So currently, let's log in. I think Apomoku is okay. Joseph. Okay, I think I have the name here, Joseph Apomoku. And then let me just log in with the details. I didn't select the row, so let me select row. It's a teacher. All right, so let's hit this, and now we are in the dashboard of the teacher. Okay, currently, so this is what we are having: the details about the teacher, the number, and then it's a degree teacher though, so it's there. Then currently, we changed the term from term 2 to term 3, so it appears here, and the date we select for it are also here. Now, what can this teacher do? First of all, the teacher can manage the courses or the scores of the student. That's the work of the teacher, to just input the scores. Okay. So let's look at that. So now let's say we want to do that. So let's get back to computing. Okay. So this is just um so when you click on computing, how many teachers? We have only 2 students assigned to this particular class. So the here is 40. So let's say the student have 35, and then for the exam the student have something like 50. Right? Let's see the mark that the student having 85, which is A. The second student probably may have 30 and probably 40. Yeah. So let's see. The student is having what? B. So that's for computing, and we'll just save this. Right. We'll save this. And let's go back to English. Right. So let me get it here. So you notice that we are done for computing. Now we are going to English. Okay. So English to the same. So let's just um 38. I don't want to do all because the video might be long. So let's say here the 50. All right, so let's go to comment. So now we are in comment. So when you click on comment, this is what you do. The teacher has to give a comment. So let's say basic 7. So this is what the teacher is having. Now the teacher can give comment and conduct. Okay, let's say conduct for uh, Doris. Let's say very good. Then again for Sefa, let's just say very good for the 2, which is not bad. Now here we can apply general comment for both. So here we can say keep it up, right? So there's something for do this one to keep learning, and then I think it's not bad. So this is the comment that we are added to. They have to hit, I guess having some discrepancies here, but don't worry, we'll attend to that. So let's go to attendance also. Now with attendance, let's select, and then I think we have to just, we can either give it manually or just go. So I just want to give it general for all. We say day, total day. Okay, total day for all students probably for be 100. Okay, let's just say we have 100 days for, and then day present for students, maybe like 86. So let's just apply this, and it apply for all of them. Yeah. So uh we are good to go. So the teacher's work is done. The teacher's work is done, and this all that the teacher have to do. Okay, this all that the teacher have to do. Right. Now let's log out the teacher, and then we log in the student to check uh their details. So we are logging out the teacher. Now let's go for the student. Now we are selecting student. Now I will select student. You have this instruction that tells you what to do. You are using admission number as your password. That's why as a student you are going to use your name and then your admission number. So probably let's get back to the other browser, and then we look out for the student. Now let's say we are dealing with Sefa here. So let me just copy the admission number, and then the name is Madam Sefa. So we just say Madam Sefa here, and then we'll paste the admission number. You can see the admission number. Let me show you. So this is the admission number. So you just hit, and then we'll log in into Sefa's account. Now, when you log into Sefa's account, this is what we are going to get. Now, we know we are currently running 30. Now, let's look at something. Sefa's name is here, admission number is here, the class basic 7 is here, username, date of birth, parents number, address, right? So these are the things that Sefa is having. Now, mathematics, based on the record you have, Sefa is having C, because total is 69. English, 54, which is D. Science, 45, which is E. Computing, 70, which is B. So this Sefa's, let me just say, records here. So these are the things you see. So Sefa is now currently 2 um, out of 2 in class. It means that there are only 2 people in the class, and based on Sefa's mark, he's taking the second position because the other person might have taken the first position based on the grades. So let's look at the report side. So this is the report card for Sefa. Now the school name is here. Okay, the school name, Bright Academy, and whatever. Now the everything is here. You can see the grades and everything showing here. The academic performance. You can see attendance, total day present is 60. That means that's it. Comment, who commented? The teacher is Joseph Moku. Say comment, say keep learning, and then they say conduct. Very good. So very good student. So teacher will sign here, headmaster will sign, and here is the grade system explained. 80 to 100 is this, and that, right? So what we can do, we can just hit here to download the PDF. So let's just click and get the PDF for Sefa. So currently this is the report card for Sefa. The name Sefa is here, and the position in class 2 out of 2. Date issue May 5, 2025. and every details that we need, they are here for the student. So this is just cool. Instead of teachers going to type things, write things one, you can just share the thing for the teachers to do. Let's look at one more thing. Let's check the other student and see if that student will take first, because I think that student's grade will be ahead of uh, Surface own. So let's try that and see student. So let's say Madam, then this one is Doris, and let me get the admission number. I'm not having that in mind, so I just have to come here and copy. Yeah, so this is the admission number here. We are copying it because students are using their admission number to log in, as you know, Aisha. So we are pasting and then we log in. Boom. So this Madam Doris as a student is now what, ranked as first in class, because the average score is what, 81, and overall score is A. So it means that she's leading. Look at the grade, A, and then C. So it means that she is the first in class. The grades are lined up here also, right? So with that view online, we come here and we look at the same thing that we have for him. So we can just hit download again, and we have that here. Yeah. So this is it. Student can download their thing, and this is how it looks like. Are we okay? So now let me show you how to get a bulk download. Now let's get back to the other browser, which is the admin page. So this is the administration page. So let's go back to report. Now here we are going to select the class, which is basic 7. We are going to select which is term 3, right? So we hit generate report, and it will generate all the report. Again, we'll select the basic 7 again, third term again, and then we hit download. Okay, so here we are going to get all the report in zip file. So let me go here and see if it's here. Let me check my download, and yes, we have the zip file here. So let's just click and see. So we have 2 students. We know we have only 2 students in that particular class for now. So when you double click, let's see, and we have, who is this, Madam Doris, and this is how it works. So if you like this project, please kindly comment, follow me for more projects. You can share ideas, or maybe want us to add some features also. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, for supporting me. We are all going to learn together.